Hi, I'm here. It's the 2016 Governor's Cup. The women's pro figure just came off the stage, and I'm so excited. Kim Odo's here with his winners, and I'm going to let him talk.
Thank you. What a great lineup. Oh my God, it was like 26 extremely talented girls, deep all over the stage, but excited for these two. I can't say enough about my girls up there. You know, they have fun, they bring their packages, they work hard to continually improve. You know, Shalico has been with me now for going on 3 years, I think, and she's continually working to get better and better and better. She keeps bringing better packages. She's a little fighter. I call her my Mighty Mouse because like all 110 pounds of her gets up there and works hard. But
how do you feel tonight, Shalico?
Amazing. I earned 2 extra points for the Olympia, so that was the goal, win some more points.
Good for you. That's so great. And you, this is your debut, right? Congratulations. You're amazing. When you walked on that stage, I went, wow. I mean, all of you do that to me, but I'd never seen you. And I went, wow.
Very much. I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. It means a lot. Yes.
it's fun. It's fun to see the new ones come up
And all of you, I mean, you all are setting amazing examples for this industry. You're leaders in our industry. We're so stoked to have you here. I cannot tell you how much it means to me to have you here and all your angels. Seriously, from the bottom of our hearts.
Oh, thank you very much. And we had a great time. You guys put on a phenomenal show, and it's fun to be a part of it. And I've been very blessed to be associated with Spectrum for the last 10, 15 years. So it's really been a blessing. Thank you.
How do you feel tonight?
I feel great. I just feel honored and blessed to be a part of just even the top 5 here in my pro debut. So where I came out, I couldn't be happier, and now it's time to go back to the books and find out which. Absolutely. I want to thank my husband first and foremost. He's been there through everything, all the ups and downs, the hangry moments, everything. Secondly, my family, who is always usually at these shows, who is not able to make it. I love you guys so much, and thank you always for your support. And then everyone, all the fans and all of my just close friends, just thank you very much. And my sponsor, Muscle Sport, couldn't have done it without them. So,
Shalico, you.
My husband especially, he's my #1 supporter. I come from a small community of friends and family who really support me as I've made my journey in this fitness industry.
Good for you.
I feel so important with the microphone, like I'm doing something.
You are. Well, thank you so much, Kim, and your girls, and we look forward to having you again. And I wish you both the best of love, and Kim, all the love in the world for you. Thank you, seriously. Thank you so much. Great job. Great. Thank you. I was so glad to be able to go up there and give your trophies out. It was awesome. Good job, Shalico. You look beautiful.
What a great show. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys really set the tone. It's awesome. I love it. You guys are great. You're going to hopefully be at that Olympia again this year. You will. You will. You're there. Okay, so let's get everyone together. Wendy, everyone together here. And then I'll do you guys separate too. Scoot down. Wendy, why don't you come over on this side? Here you go.